Just arrived here at the all-new Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2015 Ram 1500 SLT Edition Crew Cab pickup. On the outside of this Ram, we have heated and power door mirrors, available four-wheel drive and remote start. Inside we have comfortable cloth seating for 5, illuminated entry and remote keyless entry. The 5-inch LCD display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected on the go. This 2015 Ram 1500 has less than 125,000 miles, and it comes with the Auto Check Buyback Protection Plan. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.